Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to MS Windows-based integrated security management system solution for real-time drone video streaming and display. AdPac Integrated Security Management System is a next-generation Windows-based video management system solution that can be mounted on high-performance commercial server to monitor and store network-based live video such as drone images. The main software component for ISMS consists of RTSP video streaming server, RTSP video live viewer server, and optionally video storage server. Smart RTSP video live viewer software is CCTV video display software for monitoring network-based drones, satellite video codecs, 4K HDMI multi-channel encoder, and IP cameras. It supports low bitrate video codec H.265 as well as existing H.264 video codec. The satellite CCTV security control software solution supports various software functions concerning the characteristics of satellite communication. This video live viewer software supports the ability to provide uninterrupted and stable service in low bandwidth using H.265 codec, real-time satellite network transmission error prediction function, real-time automatic video bitrate adjustment according to satellite network conditions, and real-time display of satellite network status. Smart RTSP video live viewer software supports a dark and blank user interface to reduce eye fatigue. And the Smart RTSP video live viewer supports multi-channel video display, and it supports display layout adjustment and display ratio adjustment. This is AdPac ISMS demonstration for real-time video streaming and live display.